today's video is going to be my September IPSY unbagging. I didn't know that I was still getting IPSY, but apparently I am. I don't think I got it last month. Maybe I did. Maybe it was the month before. I don't know, but it appeared in my mailbox and I'm like, okay. So the bag this month looks like this. Just like a orangey color. Looks kind of summery for a September bag. You know, yeah. Maybe this is the August bag. I don't know, but let's dive into it. Okay, the first thing that I'm seeing is the Kula Golden Organic BB Cream with SPF 30. I'm definitely not of a golden color, so this might not work for me, but I'm definitely excited to try it out. Next thing in here is the 111 Skin. What is this brand called? 111 Skin Harley St. London. The Cryo Activating Hydrogel. This is what it looks like. Comes in a little tube. Oh, there's the card. Oh, this is the August bag. Why am I getting the August bag in September? I'm so confused. I don't know why I'm getting the August bag in September, but anyway, okay, this is by Ciate. This is the Glow 2 highlighter in the color Moon Dust, I think. Moon Dust. Well, there's the packaging. Oh, cool. This is damaged. Cool. It's cracked. I don't know if you can see down the middle, but there's like a big line down. Oh, you can definitely see on the back. Oh my god, it's cracked like all the way through. What the hell? Hold on, I'll show you guys the back in a second. This is the color though. It looks super pretty. Okay, never mind. Can't take it out because it just broke and is destroyed. So, yeah. There's that. That's great. This looks like a really, it's getting everywhere. Looks like a really pretty color too. Let's see. Oh, that is really pretty. Well, that sucks that it's broken. Really pretty. Okay, moving on. What is this? 12 benefits. 12 benefits. That's what it says. Seals color, smooths, repairs, and improves texture and manageability, prevents split ends, moisturizes. So this is like, it's a 10. You know that leave-in stuff? It's a 10. This is 12 benefits. So yeah, it's a hair product. Instant healthy hair treatment. Okay, and the last thing in my August bag that I should have gotten last month, but I'm getting it in September, is by Trust Fund Beauty. This is the Lipgasm Lip Gloss in the color Text Me. Cute packaging. It's an interesting color. It's like an orangish. There we go. It's gonna have to do. So, my thoughts on my August bag that I'm getting in September. I'm just super confused. I don't know why. But yeah, my thoughts on it. I'm excited for this lip gloss. I think this is a pretty color. I'm excited to try this guy out. I'm super bummed about the highlighter. I'm gonna email them and see what they say. It is a really pretty color, so maybe they'll replace it, but yeah, I tried to take it out and it literally just, it destroyed itself. And this guy, the 111 Skin, I don't know, I gotta look more into this. Gel activating hydrogel. I think it's just a moisturizer, but I'm gonna look into this more. And then this guy I will definitely try out, this BB cream. I am a huge fan of BB creams. So that's it for my super late August IPSY bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in signing up for IPSY, I will have a link down below. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.